Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create pivot table from a multiple worksheet using the pivot table wizard. In this Excel file we have the sales record for 3 different years from 2019 to 2021. We have the different types of product, we have the different region, and we have the sales volume from January to December. Now the purpose is to create a pivot table, summarized data from these 3 different financial years from multiple worksheets. So in order to create the pivot table using the pivot table wizard, from your keyboard press the Alt D and now press the P. It will take you to the pivot table wizard. And now here you have to choose the third option because you want to consolidate data. I want to create pivot table, that's okay. Now press the next, and here you have to choose the second one because you want to create the pivot table and page fields by your own. In the range box you have to select the table related to each of the financial year individually. If you press the Ctrl Shift arrow key right, it will select the table to the right hand side, and again if you press the Ctrl Shift arrow key down, it will select the entire table. Add it to the pivot table wizard. Now go to the financial year 2020, again select the entire table, Ctrl Shift arrow key right and arrow key down. Add it to the pivot table wizard. Now go to the financial year 2021 and now the table is automatically selected because this is a repetitive task in Excel. Now how many page fields do you want? Page field is the filter that we are going to add in our pivot table. I want to have only one filter. And now first of all select the financial year 2021 and write the name of the field. For example, this is related to financial year 2019 and this is related to FY 2020, and the third one is FY or financial year 2021. And now I want to have my pivot table in new worksheet. Finish it. Okay, perfect. This is a pivot table based on multiple worksheet based on 3 different financial year, but it has some problem. As you can see that the volume of sales is only counted here. They are not calculated together. In order to change the count into the sum, you have to go to the values and from here value field setting and select the sum. I want to add the symbol of dollar also here and reduce the number of decimal places into 0. Okay, this is a summarized report. This is a pivot table based on 3 different worksheets based on 3 different financial year. And from here you can select your desired financial year. If you select only the financial FY 2019, it will give you only the data which is related to financial year 2019. Again, if you select for example the financial year 2021, you will get the data only from 2021. If you remove the filter, you can select all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this tutorial was useful for you.